Hi guys! Today I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows. Just give me one moment because I'm going to do one eyebrow off camera. Okay? Okay, so first I'm going to go in with my Essence Eyebrow Designer in 04 Blonde and fill in any sparse areas. I already did this eyebrow. Just lightly fill in any sparse areas. We're going to blend it out. Next I'm going to go into my NYX Tame and Frame Tinted Brow Pomade in Blonde. Go underneath the brow bone. Next, I'm going into my Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara in Blonde. Just help shape it for longer lasting wear. There you go, and that's how I do my brows. I hope you guys enjoyed this little mini tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.